Alright, welcome back everybody. Anybody that's new here, thanks for joining me today. Anybody that's not new, yes, that's snow. I went north. I couldn't do it anymore. So if you guys are seeing this, this is probably gonna be later. My computer is down. I was kind of depressed. I couldn't upload anything, and I was trying to figure out a way to get you guys some content. And then my cousin called me and told me that I could come up and hang out by him for a little while. And yeah, of course, if I'm gonna go up north, I'm gonna bring my ice fishing stuff. And apparently there's a bunch of snow up here. It's currently snowing, so I don't have a lot of time if I'm gonna be getting out. I don't know if the body of water that I'm actually standing next to is gonna be the one I'm fishing today. I'm just checking stuff. I'm bringing all my ice fishing stuff. Keep your fingers crossed for me. This is first ice. It's been so long. It's too long. Those of you that know, you know, so stay tuned. So there's about 3 inches of ice out here right now. So if I swing this, I want everybody to understand that I'm going to swing this pretty hard. You're not going to see them all, but I'm going to swing this pretty hard a couple times. I see that there's been people out here, but never trust other tracks. That person might be substantially lighter than you, and at this moment I'm kind of fat. So basically, I'm going to swing this spud bar as hard as I can every time, and if I feel like I need to, I'll swing it twice in the same spot. But for the most part, I think there's about 3 inches, 3.5 inches out here. It could vary. I will be checking the ice often, but for the most part, I think it'll be okay. Hopefully, I can find some fish in a short distance and I don't have to do too much walking, because swinging this thing's gonna suck. But yeah, always check the ice as you go. Okay, so today's mission is to find active first ice fish. So I'm going to start with one of these little, these are the ultralight ripping wraps from Apollo. Such a good first ice lure, it's ridiculous. Everything eats this. I like this chartreuse glow, this guy. They all these work, but the chartreuse glow just seems to kill them. So start with that guy, and then I pair it up with this is my Precision. It's a 32 inch, the Revo S1000, and then I have a swivel set up on it. Not a swivel, but a snap, so I can switch it out and stuff if I want to. Forgot how sharp these are. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Snap, little inline swivel. It's a nice rod for basically searching for fish. So I'm going to keep it simple, keep it moving, see if I can mark anything with that. Alright, let's see if this thing still works. I haven't used it since last year. This is my Markham M5. I don't work with Markham or anything. It's what I'm using. Everybody wants information. I like this as my flasher. It's pretty much my go-to flasher. So yeah, we got power. I'll go do super fine line, and then we'll see how deep it is. Looks to be right around that 10-foot mark. Anybody home? What do I got here? Oh, little baby crappie, little black guy. Oh, you know what I forgot? Amateur hour. I gotta get my forceps if I'm using treble hooks. Always have a hemostat on you if you're fishing treble hooks. Better for you and the fish. That's the first one. Alright, first one going back. Bye-bye, dude. Always have these. Okay, midday update. Been out here forever. Drilled hundreds of holes already. Well, I don't know. I've probably drilled 20 to 40 holes. I got that one crappie. Wipe you guys off here. And yeah, it's a whiteout. So not very much ice. 3 to 4 at most. Some of the spots are actually worse than others. I'm going to probably drill for another hour. See if I can find a school of fish, anything active. I did get one really hard bite. I don't know if I'm going to leave that in there. But yeah, startled me, messed up the hook set, but I probably could have had that one. And yeah, let's see if we can find some more active fish. I thought with the snowstorm, first ice, should have been like a given, but that's fishing. So pay attention. That's what happens. I'm still sticking with my active bait because they are coming in on it. It's just sometimes they attack it and I don't get them. So wish me luck. Got him. There we go. That guy actually smacked it. About time. Alright, not a bad start to the season. Now, just find some bigger ones. Okay, so it's about time. I stumbled on a single. I came in and actually throttled it. So the rip and wrap still works. It's just, I think this snowstorm has got something going on with these fish. Usually they're turned on, but I think they're turned off right now. So I'm working my way back to shore. Hopefully I get a couple more on the way. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm out of my jacket. Basically went and drilled about 50 holes. That's not exaggerating. Walked about a mile, but a mile through about 8 inches of snow, and it's still snowing. So I knew it was going to snow today. That's my fault. But I did know, I didn't know how much snow. It looked like 2 to 4. I'm going to say today, if it's still snowing in the next hour or two, it's going to be 4 to 6. So anybody that knows walking through snow, you know the struggle I just went through. I'm not complaining. I'm out ice fishing and I caught some fish, but it basically put an end to the day because I was trying to cross the lake to a hole that I know about, and it probably would have had a bunch of crappies in it. But the snow was getting heavy enough that it was actually pushing down the ice because the ice isn't very thick. So this lake is probably going to be off limits now for a while, just because there's this much ice and 3 times as much snow. It's never safe to walk on something like that. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys and let you know that, yeah, I finally made it out on some ice. Hopefully you guys are able to enjoy this little first trip of the season. I am hoping there's going to be many more after this. I have some special ones planned, so stay tuned for those. And then, yeah, obviously if you're not new here, you know what's up. But if you are new, could you please just remember to